Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is component, key features, when to use components. Components are reusable building blocks used to create user interfaces (UI) and encapsulates functionality. There are different types of components in Salesforce such as Visual Force components and Lightning components, which are the most common. These components are built using the Lightning component framework Aura. Aura components use a dedicated event framework. They help developers create responsive and interactive user interfaces for Salesforce applications. Example: Aura components were the first iteration of Lightning components in Salesforce. These components follow an event-driven model and are used to build dynamic web applications for both mobile and desktop. Example of an Aura component: Aura colon component, Aura colon attribute name equals to message type string default hello Aura. This will be the display name. Lightning button label v.message. On click c.handle click. Aura component closed. Key features of Lightning components. Reusability. Components can be reused across different pages and applications. Modular development. By breaking down the UI into smaller components, it becomes easier to manage and maintain code. Responsive design. Lightning components are designed to work well on both desktop and mobile devices. Event driven. Components can communicate with each other using events, making it easier to build complex interactive applications. When to use components in Salesforce. Visual Force components when working with Visual Force pages and needing to create reusable section of UI. Aura components when building older Lightning experience components that require rich interactive or have complex event-driven logic. Lightning web components when building modern, scalable and performance-oriented Salesforce apps. LWC is a recommended choice for new developments. Thank you.